first step to putting on your new exhaust is to remove the old one. We're going to start with a 15mm socket and you're going to take off the nuts of every clamp. To make our job easier, we use the 13mm socket to remove the exhaust hangers. Once those are removed, we like to spray all the connecting points down with WD-40 to make it easier to pull off. Now it's time for the new exhaust. We like to loosely put on our nuts to the clamp before putting it fully on. Now that your exhaust is lined up, we like to use a rubber mallet to ensure a tight fit. You can now put on the rest of the exhaust. Remember to put the clamps on before putting the exhaust into place. Once the exhaust is in place, put it through the hangers and reattach the ones you took off with a 13mm socket. Now with the 15mm socket, tighten all the clamps down and be sure it is centered. Now you're good to go.